Hi, since we are all sitting at home, here's a lovely facial that you can do straight from your kitchen. It consists of, the ingredients I should say consist of potato, dahi or yogurt and salt. So to start off with, we're going to cut this potato. You should cut the potato in half and take a knife and just keep slicing it like this in between so that we can get the potato juice flowing. Now first I think I just spray a toner on her. I'm going to spray the rosehip toner. Sorry. Okay, that's fine. And now I'm going to take the potato that I've cut and go around her face. Now this facial is going to brighten her skin. It's also excellent for dark circles. So if you have dark circles, you can just do this on your dark circles. Don't forget your neck. Potato is a lightening agent. And if you feel you would like to, I think now it's fine. And now I'm going to take the dahi, add a pinch of salt to it. So I'm going to put it on my hand first so I don't get too much. Mix it up and just apply this on top of the potato. Don't remove the potato. This is full of lactic acid, so it takes away the dead skin also, and of course it brightens the skin. Under the eyes, it's excellent for under the eyes. And we go all over the neck. Now, if you don't have a facial brush at home, no problem. You can just use it with your fingers. If you have any essential oil, you can add a drop of it, but if you don't, then you just go through with the same without the oil. Now leave it like that for about 20 minutes and then rinse it off. You're going to see that your skin is not lighter but brighter, I should say. Brighter, and it's definitely going to help your dark circles and any pigmentation that you have. And now this is Tanvi after the pack. Do you like it, Tanvi?
I love it. Thank you.